Alright, so how is it going YouTube? Okay, so today I'm going to have a DIY project. Okay, and this project is, as you know, I'm working from home now. This is my home office. Okay, we'll do a tour of the home office next time. Okay, and we are going to have a notice board. Okay, with a drop leaf table. Okay, this is a DIY project. Okay, I've got some of the materials already. Okay, mainly is the whiteboard. Okay, these are actually quite cheap. You can get it off the hardware store, sometimes in stationery shop. Okay, and over here, as you can see, we'll be putting one over here. Okay, and one on the other side. Okay, because me and my business partner, okay, both of us, we have one for each. Okay, and over here, right below it, okay, I'm not sure if you can see. Okay, below the whiteboard, we're gonna have a drop leaf table. Okay, that means I mean when you walk, right? Okay, it won't be protruding out. Okay, but once you want it, right? Okay, it's a table where it actually folds down and it can be folded up. The drop leaf table. Okay, and actually we have some scraps in the house. Okay, some screws, you know, and drills and stuff like that. Okay, from other projects and all this. So today we're going to make this happen. Okay, so let's do it. Come, let's go. So these are some of the stuff you need for this project. Okay, mainly is the whiteboard, which I showed you just now. Okay, I have two of these. Okay, you need a good drill. Okay, all these drills, right? These are the heavier duty ones. Okay, not just the normal hand drill. I have the normal hand drill. Okay, and I actually have problem drilling it into the concrete wall. Okay, and all this, you know, is like knife through butter. You know, it just goes straight in. Okay, and with the drill tips, the proper drill tips. Okay, and also measuring tape. Okay, this is to see how level your shelf is, and all this is very important. Okay, and all these brackets, this was from a previous project. Okay, it didn't go through. Okay, and then this one will be the one holding up the shelf. Okay, when it's on the wall, sweeping it up, and then, you know, closing it down. Okay, it's kind of fun. Okay, and all this wood is from a previous project. Okay, it was for another furniture. Okay, but I have some spare ones in the storeroom. Okay, so I was thinking, you know, we might just use this for this project. Okay, if not, I mean, it's going to stay in the storeroom as well. And if I use this and it doesn't look good on the wall, okay, I'll just buy another wood, you know, and just fix it on. That would be easier. Yeah, because at least the structure and everything is all there already. Alright, and some screws. You can grab some screws and brackets and all this. Because when you do projects like this, trust me, you will need some screws and brackets and all this, and it's better to have more lying around. Okay, a lot of screws. Okay, the toolbox with all the screwdrivers and everything. Okay, so without further ado, come, let's do it. Alright, as you can see, the two boards are up already. Okay, and now you can use this, okay, to measure how level it is. Okay, is it straight or is it tilting to a side? Because by the naked eye, sometimes we can't see that well, you see. I mean, we can see it's level, but sometimes it's not. So we can use this, and once we get the correct angle, because I mean it's hanged by a string, so it can be adjusted a bit. Okay, and once we are confirmed which way, I mean it's totally level, then we'll just put some double-sided tape. Okay, I mean which is below, and get it fixed to a certain angle and all this. So let's do it. Alright, so another tip for you, okay, before I stick the double-sided tape onto it, okay, I think it's good that we have found the correct angle so that it's not slightly tilted to the left or to the right. Okay, so you can do some markings here and there. Okay, at least when you bring it down and when you put it back up, right, you know, you don't have to find the angle again, this and that, which is very troublesome. Yeah. This will make it easier. And I'll definitely, I mean most likely I'll put double sided tape in between them as well. Okay, so that there'll be lesser movement on this, which is will make it easier. Alright, so right now is the second part of the project, okay, which I need to do up the Dropleaf table. Okay, so yeah, for me I measure the height is about 1 meter. Okay, so sometimes when I open up the Dropleaf table, right, I can actually put on my laptop and it works as a standing desk as well. Okay, so you have to measure and mark the distances and all this, you know, the height and everything. Okay, so that you'll be level again. Yeah, so let's do it. So we use some screws, okay, and some brackets that we found, you know, lying around. All these are, some of them are used brackets for other stuff, you know, sometimes we just take them out. Okay, so just drill them in, okay, so that it will be one big solid piece of wood. Okay, like what I said, this is a test piece. Okay, if it doesn't look good and all this, it doesn't look great, okay, maybe I'll just cover it with some wallpaper or I just get another piece of wood for this project. Alright, so as you can see, you actually mark up the holes for the bracket. Okay, and some tips for you, okay, when you are using a drill bit and all this, right, okay, remember to tighten it. Okay, and one more tip for you, okay, when you are going to drill, right, okay, it is good to find some envelopes you have lying in the house. Alright, and what you can do over here, as you can see, okay, these are some of the envelopes. Okay, just put some tape, some scotch tape on it. Okay, and then open it up, okay, and then stick it over here, just below the place where you are going to drill. Okay, this will not help 100%, okay, but the thing is, I would say like maybe 80%, 90% of the dust, right, is going to fall right in here when you drill, rather than, you know, all around the floor and everything. Okay, you can fall the sides over here so that you actually stay in an open manner so that everything will actually, most of the stuff will drop down. Alright, so let's do it. Wait, we'll put on some safety goggles.